Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Jewel Study World. Today our lesson will be on how to solve questions using the quadratic formula. We have already learned how to derive the formula from our previous video. So if you know you haven't watched that video, you have to first watch that video and then come back to watch this video. The link has been placed in the description of this video. You can go to the description of this video and then watch the video on how to derive the general quadratic formula. Now, we want to use that formula that we derived to solve this question. So we have used the quadratic formula to solve the following equations. So A, we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 9 is equal to 0. B, we have x squared minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. C, we have 7x squared minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now what we will do is that, what is even the formula that we are all talking about? So the formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the general, or this is the quadratic formula. So from our equations, we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have to find which of them is A, which of them is B, and which of them is C. Okay, so let's continue. So for the first one, we have 2x squared, we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 9 is equal to 0. So now we have to find which of them is A, which of them is B, then which of them is C. So to do that, you have to compare this one to the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it means that the coefficient of x squared is what? Is a. So from here, x squared is what? 2. So it means that 2 is equal to a, or a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. From here to the coefficient of x here is b, and here is 7. Which means that b is equal to 7. From here, we have c, we have negative 9. So c is equal to negative 9. Then now you can write the equation and fix in these values there. So you have x is equal to negative b. So b is 7. So negative b, negative 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared. So the square root of b squared is 4, is 7, sorry. So 7 squared. So 7 squared minus 4ac minus 4a is 2 here. So a and c we have 6 negative 9. And we have all over 2a. This all over 2a is 2. All over 2a. So we have x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 9. So 7 squared gives us 49 minus, so 4 times 2 gives us 8. So we have 4 to 8. So this times negative 9 here. All over 2 times 2 gives us 4. So you have x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 4a minus, so you have negative times negative gives us positive. So 8 times 9, 9 8, 72. So you have 72 over 4. So you have x is equal to, So what this means is that we have 49. So this is 49. 49. So you have negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 plus 72. So 9 plus 2 gives us 11, remainder 1. 4 plus 7 plus 4 gives us 11, plus that one gives us 12. So you have 1, 2, 1 all over 4. So now you have x is equal to negative 7. What this means is that we can write this equation and make here plus in one of them and make here minus in one of them. So you have x is equal to negative 7 plus the square root of 121. And the square root of 121 is 11. So we have plus 11 over 4. Or x is equal to negative 7 minus the square root of 121 is 11 over 4. So we have x is equal to negative 7 minus 11 gives us negative 18 over 4. So now this one to negative 7. So for this is for this one, and for this one negative 7 plus 11 over 4. Let's point all of them together. So you have negative 7 plus 11 over 4. It gives us 1. So this we have 1. And for this one too, we have negative 18 over 4. We have negative 4.5. So you have the value of x to be 1 and the value of x to be 4.5, negative 4.5. So you have therefore x is equal to 1 or negative 4.5 as our final answer for the first question, the A. Now let's move on to B. So for B, we have x squared minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have x squared minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. If you compare this with this, the coefficient of x here is 1. So it means that A is equal to 1. And here too, we have B is equal to negative 3. And C is equal to negative 3. Now let's take this in the equation. We have x is equal to negative b, so b is negative 3. So you have negative 3 gives us positive 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared. So negative 3 squared gives us 9 minus 4ac minus 4a. A is 1 and c is negative 3. So minus 4ac all over 2a. 2a, a is 1. So we have x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of, so we have 9. So negative 4 times 1 gives us negative 4. And negative 4 times negative 3 gives us positive 12. Positive 12. All over 2 times 1 gives us 2. So we have x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 12 gives us 21. So we have 21 all over 2. So we have x is equal to, so this means that we have 3 plus the square root of 21 over 2, and also 3 minus the square root of 21 over 2. So we have 3 plus the square root of 21 over 2, or 3 minus the square root of 21 over 2. That's why you have plus or minus. So plus or minus. For this one, you have x is equal to 3 plus the square root of 21 over 2 gives us 3.79. And for this one too, we have negative 0.79. So this becomes the final answer. So x is equal to 3.79 or negative 0.79 becomes our final answer for this question. Let's move on to C. 7x squared minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, viewers, I initially wanted to solve the C. 7x squared minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. But I want to know how you are following the lesson. So now I will give this one to you to go and solve. And now you have to write your answer in the comment, at the comment section. Yes. So 7x squared minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, you have to write your answer at the comment section. Yes. So let's call it a day. We will end today's session of this topic here. This is Jewel Study World. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Bye.